Morning, Summer. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you for asking.
Doing good.
Great. Well, I have only 5 questions for you.
Okay.
Well, the first question is, with green being the new buzzword and most people are trying their best to be eco-friendly this year, what Best Buy suggestions do you have?
Definitely, this holiday is a green holiday. One of the most popular gift ideas is the gift card. That is made of 100% recycled paper. So that's one of the most popular suggestions we are giving to our customers. We also offer Energy Star appliances and Energy Star televisions, Energy Star gifts to help conserve energy for those eco-friendly gifts also.
Okay.
We also, on the eco-friendly, Best Buy itself is the world's largest electronics recycler. So when you purchase a product, we can recycle the old one that's being replaced. And Geek Squad can actually, you may have a computer that you're thinking of replacing, but that computer may be able to just be renewed with a new life rather than spending the money on a brand new system. We may be able to take the existing system, renew it to where it'll last a few more years rather than just recycling that. But with any product, you can bring it to any Best Buy location and have that product recycled.
Okay, that was my next question. How did you know? So when people want to upgrade, they want that new computer, that new iPod, that new gadget, and they can just bring it in and Best Buy will recycle it for them, or do you guys give some type of credit, or do you charge? Is it free?
With a lot of as far as appliances and larger television stuff that's delivered to the house, typically there are very nominal fees associated with the recycling of it. As far as computers, smaller devices, things that can be brought into the store, those are all recycled free of charge. You can just show up with it and we'll tag it, send it to the recycling center, and it'll be disposed of properly.
And at the front of all Best Buy locations in the vestibules, there is little drop boxes for things like batteries and other items that need to be recycled properly, that you can just come in and drop that item into the recycling bin.
Does Best Buy themselves have their own recycling facility, or what do you do with the items afterwards?
We do. We have it is an actual recycling facility that is associated with Best Buy. A lot of our defective returns go there so that they may be renewed for other purposes. And then all of the other, everything goes to a central location. The primary reason for that is that all the hard drive and sensitive material are destroyed, so that way everything is disposed of properly without compromising the data security of our customers.
Okay, that's a great thing to know. Now, how about with plastic bags? They're probably being used in abundance this time of year. Does Best Buy do anything to encourage the use of reusable bags or offer recycling for the plastic bags?
We do, actually. There are certain Best Buy locations that are running in test markets that have Best Buy branded renewable bags. We welcome anybody to bring their own bag in if they should decide to use that. The bags we do use are made of 80% recycled material rather than just straight plastic, as well as we typically will ask the customer if they want a bag or not, so as to not just pass the bags out to everyone, because some people, they don't really need the bag, they don't want the bag, they're just going to throw it away, so they opt out of it, which is one less bag put out there.
Wonderful. Now, what does Best Buy as a company, and you've named some of the different things, but as a company, what do they do throughout the year to reduce their carbon footprint and be an eco-friendly company, such as the recycled content for the plastic bags? But is there anything else that my audience might want to know?
Yeah, Best Buy has spent some money on the actual facilities. We've changed out the majority of the light bulbs in most of the stores to a lower wattage bulb that consumes a lot less energy. When you multiply that over, probably 100 bulbs per store and thousands of stores, that's a significant energy cost and energy consumption that was cut out of the thing. But a lot of the stores we do, some of the stores use the raw concrete for the flooring, rather than coming back in over the top with tile and other chemicals that, as far as having to wax the tiles. There are some stores that still have tile, but a lot of the newer stores we're just polishing up the concrete floor rather than going through the routine of laying down tile, which then more contaminants and chemicals have to be applied to.
know that you guys are doing that much to reduce, the use of the energy. And how about with so many families having a limited budget, and with the economy, they're stretching their dollar because of the economy? What are some quality, hopefully eco-friendly gadgets that are under $50 that you could suggest?
Online, you can see things like solar-powered radios and headphones, as we talked about before, that can also help when it comes to the Energy Star there. Also, things like digital photo frames, MP3 players. Those are sorts of things that you can get for families on a value. Because watching the dollar amount, be able to take care of multi-purposes inside of one device instead of getting 2 or 3 devices that run off of a lithium-ion battery. It may just be that one device that can capture your music and your photos, as opposed to having both.